Now today we're here to talk about the top 6 things that you can do that will ensure you get top price, assuming it's priced correctly, of course. Sometimes a home needs a little bit of staging, sometimes it needs a lot. Forbes.com ran an article not long ago that said a staged home will sell for 17% more on average than a non-staged home, and 95% of staged homes sell in 11 days or less. That is statistically 87% faster than non-staged homes. Now that's totally worth the effort. At the end of this video, if you'll stick around, I've got some great nuggets of knowledge for you that I will impart. Get lots of boxes. They would be plastic or cardboard that go around your house. Pick up all your stuff, all your personal items. Either throw things away, box them up, donate them, or take them for your new home, but get them out of your present home. Either way, get rid of that junk. So box up that book collection, put up your Starbucks figurines, sell your cookie jars on eBay, collect hats. Well, guess what? Not anymore. These boogers, they're coming down. Find a box, put them in them. Declutter the hell out of your house. The buyer needs to see more space for their stuff and needs to know that each room has a single purpose. And in this instance, less is truly more. Buy all new linens, a soft blanket throw, new comfy pillows, a few new throw pillows for the couches. Buy new bed linens or show off your favorite ones. Either way, put your best look on your beds. Don't forget, new towels in the bathroom, and maybe even a new rug. And let there be light and more lights. All right, just light everywhere. Remember when you were in Sunday school when you learned that song? This little light of mine, I'm gonna shine. Just keep that song in your head and open all the blinds and turn all the lights on in the house. Now I know a lot of realtors claim that you should shoot magazine quality photos with the blinds shut and the curtains closed. I'm here to tell you, do the exact opposite. Let that light in. Look at these windows. Just look at how inviting this place is. So take care to highlight what makes your home special. In this case, it's these beautiful, tall, 5-foot-high windows with wavy glass from the 20s. Make your place generic. Genericize it. Yes, that's a new word. You can use it. I coined it. Neutral pictures everywhere. Take down those pictures of Susie Q graduating and your favorite 22-year-old dog that's still alive. Take down your personal photos. No one cares. They want to envision themselves in your house. Smell that mother up. Make it smell like a cheap date. Did I just say that? Me, I always use a lavender scented Myers candle or something that smells like a freshly baked sugar cookie. Don't cheapen out on the candle because a lot of them just smell like burning paraffin wax. A $15 investment in candle could be worth $2,000 to $5,000 return on your sale. Clean the hell out of your house. Don't just put your dishes in the dishwasher. Actually run a cycle. They are going to open this up and smell last night's dinner. You know, when you buy a car, there are telltale signs of how someone is taking care of that car. Cigarettes in the ashtray, smudges everywhere. It might only be 5 years old, but they might have ragged it out. Or it could have been garage kept, barely driven, like the 6-year-old Cadillac I just purchased for my son's 17th birthday, with only 24,000 loving miles on it, from an older gentleman who rarely even left his house, always in a garage and always out of harm's way. That is how you want them to see your house. Don't let them see all the junk in your trunk, or should I say crap in your closets. Clean it up, fold your clothes, put up your shoes, clean off your fridge door. No one wants to see all those magnets. Now remember what we said earlier, class. Repeat after me. A clean house is a selling house. No pet toys. Replace toilet paper rolls with new ones. Close all toilet seats. This is not acceptable. Zweimal. Change your garbage and wipe off all your television screens. And if you're going to go one step further and sell it just a little bit faster, I'm going to give you a few more tips. Remember those nuggets I talked about earlier? Nugget number one, get rid of the crazy colored walls. One basic neutral color throughout should do the job. The colors that we chose for this home were semi-gloss, Revere pewter on the trim, and flat Swiss coffee on the wall. Nugget number two, if you want to invest a little more money for a higher return, then buy some new fixtures, but keep all of the fixtures the same design scheme, color, or at least the same period of time. Notice in here, stop what you're doing, look up right now. Do you notice a builder's grade 2-pack light that was 20 bucks in your ceiling? Or a fan with an obnoxious downlight that you can't look at? If so, it might be a good time to change those out before you sell. Nugget number three, rugs. Properly sized rug can change any room. A few inches can make all the difference. There are three main layouts: all furniture legs resting on the rug, just the front legs on the rug, or all furniture except for the coffee table off the rug. If you choose a layout with the sofa on the rug should extend at least 6 inches on each side for proper scale. For instance, this rug is just way too small for the room. Nugget number four, you only get one chance to get that first impression, and that starts at your door. With what? A new front doormat. It's a cheap way to make a big impression. So it's up to you. Do you want a higher price for your house? Well, it's time to get to work. Either hire a stager or get around your house and start cleaning stuff up. Make it ready for somebody to see their stuff in your house.